The fastest production car in the world just broke 300 miles per hour. That's faster than a bullet train, faster than most race cars, and fast enough to make your brain question physics. Today, we're counting down the 10 fastest cars ever built. These aren't concept vehicles or one-off prototypes. These are real production cars you can actually buy. Number 3 on this list will absolutely shock you because nobody saw it coming. Stick around because we're revealing the engineering marvels that pushed speed to its absolute limit. This is CarCulture-X. If you love extreme performance, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Number 10. Bugatti Veyron Supersport. Starting our list is the car that changed everything, the Bugatti Veyron Supersport. In 2010, this beast hit 267.856 miles per hour, becoming the first production car to break 265 miles per hour. Under the hood sits an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing 1,200 horsepower and 1,106 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than most race cars. 4 turbochargers force-feed air into 16 cylinders arranged in a unique W configuration. The engineering is insane. 10 radiators keep everything cool. The transmission has 7 gears. The all-wheel drive system puts power to all 4 wheels simultaneously. At top speed, the Veyron consumes fuel so fast it empties its 26-gallon tank in just 12 minutes. The aerodynamics are what make this possible. At 137 miles per hour, a rear spoiler deploys to create downforce. But for top speed runs, the car enters a special mode where it lowers to the ground and the spoiler retracts, minimizing drag. Only 48 Supersport models were built, each costing $2.4 million. Today, they're worth even more because they're automotive history. This car proved that 250 miles per hour wasn't the limit. It was just the beginning. Number 9. Hennessey Venom GT. Texas-based. Hennessey Performance proved you don't need a massive corporation to build an insanely fast car. The Venom GT hit 270.49 miles per hour in 2014, beating the Veyron's record. This car is based on a Lotus Exige chassis but extensively modified. The engine is a twin-turbocharged 7.0-liter V8 producing 1,244 horsepower. That's more power than the Veyron in a car that weighs 1,000 pounds less. The power-to-weight ratio is what makes the Venom GT special. It weighs just 2,743 pounds, meaning every horsepower only has to move 2.2 pounds. For comparison, a Bugatti Veyron has to move over 4 pounds per horsepower. The acceleration is brutal. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in 2.7 seconds. 0 to 200 miles per hour takes just 14.51 seconds. That's hypercar-destroying performance from a relatively small American company. Only 13 were built, and each cost $1.2 million. The Venom GT proved that lightweight engineering and massive power can compete with established hypercar manufacturers. It's raw, terrifying, and absolutely epic. Number 8. Koenigsegg Agera RS. Swedish hypercar maker Koenigsegg entered the top speed game with the Agera RS, hitting 277.87 miles per hour in 2017. This wasn't just a top speed run. They did it on a closed public road in Nevada, making it even more impressive. The engine is a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 producing 1,160 horsepower on regular gasoline. Feed it E85 ethanol fuel, and power jumps to 1,360 horsepower. That's mind-blowing power from a relatively small engine. What sets Koenigsegg apart is their obsession with weight reduction. The entire car weighs just 3,075 pounds thanks to extensive carbon fiber construction. The wheels are carbon fiber. The body panels are carbon fiber. Even small components are designed to save ounces. The aerodynamics are active and intelligent. The rear wing adjusts automatically based on speed and driving conditions. At top speed, everything optimizes for minimum drag. During cornering, it creates maximum downforce. Only 25 Agera RS models were built at $2.5 million each. What makes this car special is that it's not just fast in a straight line. It handles like a proper sports car and can lap racetracks with incredible speed. Number 7. SSC Ultimate Aero. Before everyone was chasing 270 miles per hour, SSC Ultimate Aero was already there. In 2007, this American hypercar hit 256.18 miles per hour, briefly holding the production car speed record. The engine is a twin-turbocharged 6.3-liter V8 producing 1,287 horsepower. No fancy W16 configuration or exotic hybrid systems. Just a big V8 with 2 turbos forcing in massive amounts of air. What's crazy is how simple this car is compared to modern hypercars. It's rear-wheel drive only, not all-wheel drive. It has a 6-speed manual transmission, not a fancy dual-clutch automatic. It weighs just 2,750 pounds thanks to a carbon fiber body and chassis. The power-to-weight ratio is insane. Each horsepower only moves 2.1 pounds, making acceleration savage. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in 2.7 seconds. The quarter-mile passes in 9.9 seconds at 144 miles per hour. Only 24 were built between 2006 and 2013 at $654,400 each. The Ultimate Aero proved American engineering could compete with European supercars. It's raw, loud, and absolutely terrifying to drive at the limit. Number 6. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. 300-plus Bugatti wasn't done breaking records. In 2019, the Chiron Supersport 300-plus became the first production car to break 300 miles per hour, hitting 304.773 miles per hour. The engine is an upgraded version of the W16, now producing 1,578 horsepower. That's 378 more horsepower than the original Veyron. The turbochargers are larger, the intercoolers are more efficient, and the exhaust system flows better. The body is stretched by 10 inches for better aerodynamics. The front end is redesigned to reduce drag. The rear diffuser is optimized for high-speed stability. Every detail is engineered to cheat the wind. At 300 miles per hour, the Chiron covers 440 feet per second. That's a football field and a half every single second. The forces involved are enormous. The tires spin at 4,100 RPM. The engine consumes fuel faster than you can imagine. Only 30 were built at $3.9 million each. Breaking 300 miles per hour was considered impossible for years. Bugatti proved it could be done with enough engineering and determination. This is the pinnacle of automotive achievement. Before we reveal the top 5, if you're amazed by these engineering marvels, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Now, let's continue with the top 5 fastest cars. Number 5. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. Koenigsegg claims the Jesko Absolut can hit 330 miles per hour. That's not confirmed yet, but the engineering suggests it's possible. The engine is a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 1,600 horsepower on E85 fuel. What makes this car different is the transmission. It's called the light-speed transmission, and it can change to any gear instantly. No sequential shifting required. Need to go from 7th to 3rd? It happens in milliseconds. The aerodynamics are optimized purely for top speed. There's no massive rear wing like other Koenigsegg's. The body is as slippery as possible with a drag coefficient of just 0.278. That's better than most sedans. The power-to-weight ratio is absurd. At 3,131 pounds, each horsepower only moves 1.96 pounds. That's hypercar-destroying acceleration from any speed. 0 to 250 miles per hour is estimated at under 20 seconds. Production is limited to 125 units at $3 million each. If Koenigsegg achieves 330 miles per hour, this will be the fastest car ever built. The engineering is there. Now they just need the right conditions and a brave driver. Number 4. Hennessey Venom F5. Hennessey is back with the Venom F5, claiming it can hit 311 miles per hour. The name comes from the Fujita scale for tornadoes, where F5 is the most devastating category. That tells you everything. The engine is a custom-built 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 called Fury, producing 1,817 horsepower. That's the most powerful production car engine ever built. The turbochargers are massive, the fuel system flows incredible amounts, and everything is built to withstand extreme stress. The entire car weighs just 2,998 pounds thanks to a carbon fiber monocoque chassis. The power-to-weight ratio is 1.65 pounds per horsepower. That's lighter than most motorcycles relative to power. The aerodynamics target minimum drag. The drag coefficient is just 0.33, and every surface is optimized in wind tunnels and computer simulations. The carbon fiber body is smooth and purposeful. Only 24 will be built at $2.1 million each. Hennessey claims 0 to 300 km per hour in under 10 seconds and 0 to 400 km per hour in under 20 seconds. If they achieve 311 miles per hour, this Texas-built monster will shock the automotive world. Number 3. Devel 16. Here's the shocker. A company from Dubai claims their car can hit 347 miles per hour. Most people laughed when they first saw it. Then they revealed the engine specs and everyone went silent. The Devel 16 supposedly has a quad-turbocharged 12.3-liter V16 engine producing 5,007 horsepower. Yes, you read that right. Over 5,000 horsepower. That's more than 3 Bugatti Chirons combined. The engine was built by Steve Morris Engines in Michigan and has been dyno tested. Videos show it running and producing insane power. Whether it can actually propel a car to 347 miles per hour is the question everyone's asking. The design is extreme. Sharp angles, aggressive styling, and a carbon fiber body. It looks like something from a video game. The interior is luxurious with digital displays and premium materials. 3 versions are planned: a 2,000 horsepower version, a 3,000 horsepower version, and the full 5,000 horsepower monster. Prices range from $1.6 million to $2.2 million. Here's why this shocks everyone. Nobody expected a company from Dubai with no automotive history to challenge established hypercar makers. The engine exists and runs. Whether the complete car can achieve its claimed speed remains to be seen. If it does, this changes everything. Number 2. Tuatara. SSC is back with the Tuatara, and they've learned from the Ultimate Aero. This car combines extreme power with advanced aerodynamics and modern technology. The engine is a twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 producing 1,750 horsepower on E85 fuel. That's more power than the Bugatti Chiron from a smaller, lighter engine. The engineering is cutting-edge with 3D printed components and exotic materials. The aerodynamics are incredible with a drag coefficient of just 0.279. The active rear wing adjusts for different driving modes. At top speed, it retracts completely to minimize drag. During cornering, it creates massive downforce. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps weight at just 2,750 pounds. The power-to-weight ratio is 1.57 pounds per horsepower. That's absolutely insane, and makes acceleration savage at any speed. In 2021, SSC claimed 316 miles per hour, but later verified 295 miles per hour in independent testing. Even at 295 miles per hour, this American hypercar is faster than almost everything else on the planet. Only 100 will be built at $1.9 million each. The Tuatara represents American engineering at its finest. Massive, lightweight construction, and obsessive attention to aerodynamic detail. This car is a legitimate hypercar that competes with the best from Europe. We're about to reveal number 1, but if you're loving this countdown, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. One more car to go, and it's breaking records right now. Number 1. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut takes the top spot with a projected top speed of 330 miles per hour. While not officially tested, simulations and engineering point to its achievability. Christian von Koenigsegg is confident based on extensive computer modeling and wind tunnel work. The car combines extreme power, ultra-lightweight design, and revolutionary transmission technology. Its aerodynamics are stripped to essentials, no huge wings or splitters, allowing every surface to slice through air efficiently. Aerospace-grade carbon fiber, active suspension, and massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure safety at extreme speeds. Production is limited, and every unit is already sold. What makes the Jesko Absolut remarkable isn't just speed, but engineering philosophy, brilliant design, attention to detail, and fearless innovation. The automotive world waits to see if this hypercar will truly surpass 330 miles per hour. The 10 fastest cars ever, from the Bugatti Veyron Supersport at 268 miles per hour to the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut at 330 miles per hour, show how far automotive engineering has come. Innovations in aerodynamics, materials, and powertrains push technology forward, from hypercars to everyday vehicles. With electric and hybrid systems rising, the future promises even faster, smarter machines. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite car. Share to amaze fellow enthusiasts.